All right, I just received this, and it's a backpack, and they have this beautiful letter that they've written, and you can see the back here. And now we just got to get it out of the package, and we can check it out. I think it looks pretty cool. Here's the name on it. You guys can read that, HP Hope. But I love the color, and it's very nice. It's going to make a great Christmas gift. All right, so we just got to get it out of here to look at it. This thing is on there. So you can see it's got one of these seals on it. Up top here. You just got to pop it open like that. And we might save this because we might want to put it back in there if we're going to give it to somebody as a gift. There we go. Check it out. Oh, nice. Look at that. Wow. That is good. So these are on here. You got to get these off. Bam. So there you go. So let's look. Oh, you got a little section here that you can put stuff in, right? That's nice. And then this is the company here. And you'll probably take that off. Let's look at the top. Oh, yeah. Look at this side. You can put your water bottle in right there. Look at the zipper here. Put a laptop in there. And it's got a little latch so that you can hook stuff to. This is really nice. And this has a little side thing you can put stuff in. Look at that. Wow, that's cool. So let's zip that up. Then on the very front of it, you've got another little pocket that you can put stuff in. Let's see how deep it is. Yeah, you can put your, wallet and stuff in there. And then here, look. Whoops. Lots of room to put stuff there. And it's got two zips on it. You got this one side zip and the other side here. And then this one too, look, which has two zippers. And look, there's a zipper here. Oh, it's on both sides, wow. So there you go, look at this. If you look down in there, you've got lots, oh, look at this. It's got a USB connector in here. So you can plug your phone in. Right here, look, you put a power bank in there, and then look at this. You can plug your phone in. You got a USB-C and a regular USB in there. Let's see if you guys can see that. There it is, USB-C and regular USB. So what you do is, on the interior of this, you put a power bank down here. You see it? Right there? Put a power bank and bam, Bob's your uncle. And then on the inside here, you've got little spots you can put your phone, right, while you're charging it. And then in here, you can put a bunch of stuff. This is really nice. And you've got another one here, one here, one here. So that's good. And then you've got two zips on it. Two zippers here. And then, like I showed you on this, you got this side here, where you got all these different little spots. And then on the other side, you got another one. Same thing, right? With this and this. So it's got a lot of storage room in it. So it's super nice. Flip it over, and you can adjust it here. It's got little clips on it to hold these in. So if you pull them down, they don't flap around like that. Yeah, Bob's your uncle. Looks good, I like it. This is an excellent product, very nice, super nice, lots of utility to it. You've got your thing for your phone, you've got all this space, you put laptop in it. This is a perfect work bag. I'm really digging it, I like it a lot. All right, so let's try this bad boy on, huh? See what we think. Yeah, nice. Tighten her up, little pull, bam. Woo! What do you guys think?